Well, this is the power. Grillmeister Dave. We're doing some quick projects here. The device right here we're gonna be testing. And let's see what is going right now. The system is pushing approximately 8, almost very close to 900.
At one point it was over 900.
Yeah, I was scared because I'm coming. Yeah, I was scared. And it's cold outside, folks. Really cold. But that's how the panel's like. So
See
it's
right
900 and something now. 950. So he's doing a whole bunch of laundering here. Let me bring you over. So Grillmeister Dave, what we have here? Oh, I saw you have a May tag here.
Yep.
Yeah. Pride of America, American pride. So look at that. So everything lit up. Grillmeister Dave is pushing some power. So
Furnace is running.
Furnace running. Oh, look at that. Doing some laundering. It's kind of cool. See that? Doing laundering with solar power, with Grillmeister Dave, with grid tie limiter. And look at that. It's not fancy. It's really nice. Cool, huh? Solar power. Look at all the lights and everything is just glowing. And Grillmeister, what do you want to tell me about these machines? Are they really efficient machines?
Yes, they are very efficient. It uses less water than your normal machines, and clean it nice and good. And if you want to freshen it up, the dryer is what they call a steam dryer.
Okay.
So say you want to, if you're cold and you want to have a warm blanket, you throw it in the cycle for 22 minutes. It steams it with hot steam, so it disinfects it, and you have a nice warm blanket, and freshens up. If you don't have time to iron, you throw it in there. Irons your clothes by doing the cycle for the steam cycle, and it works good.
Yeah, I was just gonna ask you about that, if it does the pressing like iron or something.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see you got some salt now. Did you dump some salt there?
Yes, I got some salt in my.
Well, I've been battling with him, folks. This guy is really doing what he's doing right now. I've been battling with him. No salt on that thing. He's doing it. He's learning. It's a process. But Grillmeister Dave is doing laundering right here with the Maytag, American Pride. And that's what he said right there. And with solar power. With solar, 900 and something watts. Let's come back to the system here. These guys just bluffing around, showing off whatever he does. He makes a neighbor jealous now. So I just came from Divorce the Horse with KGVR Trooper. Check his channel on YouTube. And you guys have seen him with a tiny house. My friend KGVR Trooper, Divorce the Horse. That's 2 channels right there. So check it out. I just came there and check out the system as well, because it was doing some stuff and his panels were disconnected for a while because of he was building his deck. You check on Tiny House on that video in the playlist, then you can see what I'm talking about. He was on Dave's install. The guy who was cutting the unistrut with Dave, that's Keith right there. Keith Garrick with Divorce the Horse, or KGVR Trooper. The fans just kicked in. You can hear. Let's check it out. You see the fans running right now. This thing is doing exactly what it's programmed for. And the fans doesn't run constantly. Very quiet. As soon as it's cranking power, it's doing it. Look at this one. Just sit there doing nothing. And this one is rolling down a little bit, because just to cool the MOSFET and all the transistors, whatever, inside the board. They're running constantly, but very slow, so that it doesn't use more power. So what I have here right now, we're going to check it out, and stay tuned for that. Well, we're pushing almost 915, 17 watt. So we're just doing some quick experiment here. This is a new device I'm gonna try. It's a Wi-Fi, supposed to broadcast the thing through an app, which Grillmeister Dave don't have to come down here anymore, and he can take a look on the system. So stay tuned for this.
Heater's on. See this?
So that's the power we bring in right now, and we are testing some stuff here where the panels can just push at this time. So you can shut it off again. Let's see if it's gonna drop. We turn the instant. It has an instant water heater. Look at the numbers. All right.